Do you know what will happen in your body if you consume this pineapple turmeric smoothies? Well, you'll have fewer chances to get colds or flu. Turmeric has great antioxidant and antibacterial properties. It has been proven to be able to help rebuild the immune system. Pineapple is a good source of vitamin C, which is essential to fight off viruses. This drink is also helpful for loosening mucus and relieving coughs that caused by colds. You'll have stronger bones. According to researchers, a cup of pineapple can provide 73% of your body requirement for manganese, which is one of the most important nutrients to maintain and build strong bones. You'll get relief if you have arthritis. Turmeric is a natural painkiller thanks to the curcumin, which is said that may work just as well as ibuprofen for pain relief in arthritis patients. Pineapple also has good anti-inflammatory properties, makes it as an effective agent to alleviate arthritis and joint pain. You'll have a better digestion. Bromelain in pineapple helps regulate the secretions in the pancreas to improve digestion. Turmeric is believed to help in digestion as it helps in releasing of bile, which is essential for a healthy digestive system. You'll have a better sleep. Turmeric works well to relieve depression, anxiety, and may protect against the effects of sleep deprivation. You'll have healthy teeth. Have this smoothie, especially when you're suffering from a toothache, as both of these two ingredients have great antibacterial properties. Pineapple also helps strengthen gums to keep your teeth healthy. Powerful pineapple turmeric anti-inflammatory smoothies. Ingredients: 1 cup diced pineapple, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, half a peeled lime, 1 tablespoon shredded coconut, 1 cup coconut water, little black pepper, to improve the absorption of curcumin in turmeric. Directions: put all of the ingredients into your blender and blend well. Enjoy this smoothie to get a host of health benefits. It improves your health in several ways. Consume it regularly, and you will notice the differences after a period.